Hi guys, today I'm going to be showing you how to jump on the trampoline, sitting down, and I'm going to learn you a dance too. This is for kids if they're at home and they can't get out of the house because school's closed. And we are on the trampoline. Comment down below if you've got a trampoline. So yeah, that's what we're going to do. I'm going to set the camera somewhere that you can see me. I don't know if you can see me right here. Hello. I don't know if you can see me, but I think you can for a little bit. I think you just see me black. I like that. Anyways, so I'm gonna go on the trampoline, just right here, and it's really cool when we jump. I think that everybody knows how to do a star jump. If you don't know, we all call it a star jump because you look like a star. Like a star in the sky. I like to do it like that. Like I'm a big star in the sky. So what we're going to do is we are going to learn a dance in a few minutes. I don't know how o'clock is it now, but I think that is it's 11 when I'm doing this. I don't know. So what we're gonna do, I'm gonna show you how to do this. That's gonna be in our dance. So sit up. So first you will need to learn to jump, just like normal on the trampoline. The hands by your sides, by your hips, or by your legs, better. Right there, hands right there. And jump, just like normal. And point your toes. Point your toes. Do it like 10 times or something. You can do it with me if you want, if you're watching. You can do that. Or, if you would like, you can just do like normal. Like you're actually jumping. Then the sitting part. You will need to know how to sit. Yeah, so sit. You just like sit on the floor. What you need to do is, so hands down. Hands down, hands down, hands down. So these hands going down. So jump, hands down. Okay, so jump, hands down. We are not doing hands down, so just like this. You will need to do, really go hard, like you're pushing the trampoline with the feet in it. So defeating the trampoline, defeat, 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 defeat. We back up. So you just need to learn going back. So up, down, up, down, up, down, up. So just, and then you do it. I can do it loads of times, just like that. Just like this, sorry. Because I'm really defeating the trampoline. You will need to defeat it, like you hitting someone or something, just like this. Defeat, just like that. Defeat, just like that. So let's do it all together. So defeat, just like that. Let's do it once again. Defeat. Perfect. Now we're gonna learn. If you don't know how to, just gonna do it once and you can practice at home. This and how I learned my brother. Just go like this. Defeat. That's just defeat. That's the only word you need to say. if you're someone watching you, just say defeat. Just like this. Whisper defeat, just like this. Defeat. I don't know if you can hear me, but I am defeat. Or just do it in your head, because you keep a lot of stuff in your head, like words, numbers, stuff like that. So now we're gonna learn something else. We've learned the star jump and defeat. Well, I call it defeat sit-in. Like a defeat in the sit-in. Like people not. This doesn't make any sense. But no one's allowed to sit anymore with the legs. Just like that. Like this is. Believe that this is your last defeat. Last sit-in. You say defeat, and then you can't sit anymore. Defeat. But you can do it loads of times like this. This is really hard. It's been like 5 days. No, I'll tell you the truth. Quite easy when you get it. And when you get the hang of it, it's just like normal. Like it's the boring sport you ever did. If you've learned it like 1,000 times like I did, you can just do it slowly. But it's quite hard. If you haven't learned it, please don't do it. Go slow, because that's not helping at all. Doesn't help at all. No way. Doesn't help. Just like that. I don't know why, but I like it. So next, we are gonna learn how to drum roll. Do this. Not sitting. It's quite the same thing, but it's harder because maybe it's not harder, but it's really harder to me. But I'll get the hang of it. Just like that. Jingle all the way. You can sing your favorite song. Just like my favorite song is, sorry, it's like a car behind me, sorry. It's Bad Guy, so I'm gonna sing Bad Guy. I'm a bad guy. So first, sorry, there's a lot of battery, so it's just like that. Sorry if you can't see me. But next, I'm gonna learn you how to jump. Just like we did at the start. It's really easy, just jumping. Just normal. Jumping. I am jumping. Yeah. But just go on your knees after. You will need to be a lot more tougher with this, because a lot more tougher, because you need to push those babies up, just like these. Those legs, sorry, you didn't get me. If it helps, sing your favourite song, just like this. I'm a bad guy. It's been 20 minutes, I think. It's been 9 minutes. 10 minutes I wanted it to be. I hope you have learned. Wait. Oh gosh. So there's a mic there, but yeah, I hope you all have learned these moves. If you want some more, just subscribe and click the bell button. Make sure that you give me a huge thumbs up if you like my videos. This is a bye. Bye.